So in this video, I am going to show you what is AI, artificial intelligence, and why we have to use it, and what are the most important programming languages to build an AI software like ChatGPT, etc. etc. So basically, why we have to use the artificial intelligence? Then artificial intelligence is an application software that can be used in everyday scenarios such as financial service, fraud detection, retail purchase prediction, and online customer support interaction. Here are just in a few examples of fraud detection. The financial service industry uses artificial intelligence in many ways. Then lastly, and it is the most important part of this video. So basically, what are the most important programming languages to build an artificial intelligence software? So let's begin start it. The first skill required to become an AI engineer is programming. To become well-versed in AI, it's considered to learn programming languages such as Python, R, Java, and C++ to build and implement model. First, we have to learn all programming languages step by step. The first one is Python. Python is one of the most powerful and easy programming languages that anyone start to learn. Python is initially developed in the early stage of 1991. Most of the developers and programmers choose Python as their favorite programming language for developing artificial intelligence solutions. Python is worldwide popular among all the developers and experts because it has more career opportunity than other programming languages. Python also comes with some default set of standard libraries and also provide better community support to its user. Further, Python is a platform-independent language and also provides an extensive framework for deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Python is also a portable language. Also, it is used on various platforms such as Linux, Windows, Macintosh, and Unix. There are some standard libraries in Python used for artificial intelligence like TensorFlow Python, Keras Python, Theano Python, Scikit-learn Python, PyTorch Python, NumPy Python, Python Pandas, Seaborn Python. The second one is Java. Java is also the most widely used programming language by all the developers and programmers to develop machine learning solutions and enterprise development. Similar to Python, Java is also a platform-independent language as it can also be easily implemented on various platforms. Further, Java is an object-oriented and scalable programming language. Java allows virtual machine technology that helps to create a single version of application and provide support to your business. The best thing about Java is once it is written or compiled on one platform, then you do not need to compile it again and again. This is known as Vora principle. That means once written, read or run anywhere. Java has many features which makes the Java best in industry and to develop artificial intelligence applications. If you want to know all about Java, then click the I button to watch all the series. The third one is Prolog. Prolog is one of the most oldest programming languages used for artificial intelligence solutions. Prolog stands for Programming in Logic, which are developed by the French scientist Eliane Colmerover in 1970. For artificial intelligence programming, in Prolog, developers need to define the rules, fact, and goal. After defining these three, the Prolog tries to discover the connection between them. Programming in artificial intelligence using Prolog is different and has several advantages and disadvantages. It may seem like a very strange language to learn for those programmers who are from C++ background. Prolog may not be a great language or great programming language to build something big, but it is a great language to study and think about the problem in more logical way rather than the procedure. The fourth one is Lisp. Lisp has been around for a very long time and has been widely used for scientific research in the field of natural languages, theorem proofs, and to solve the artificial intelligence problems. Lisp was originally created as a practically mathematical notation for programs, but eventually became a top choice of developers in the field of artificial intelligence. Although Lisp programming is the second oldest programming language after Fortran, it is still being used because of its cultural features. The inventor of Lisp programming was John M. McCarthy, who coined the terms of artificial intelligence. Lisp is one of the most efficient programming languages for solving the specific problems. Currently, it is mainly used for machine learning and inductive logic problems. It has also influenced the creation of other programming languages for artificial intelligence, and some worth example are R and Julia. However, through being so flexible, it has various deficiencies such as lack of well-known libraries, not so human-friendly syntax, etc. Due to this reason, it is not present by the program. The sixth one is Julia. Julia is one of the newer languages on the list and was created to focus on performing computing scientific and technical field. Julia includes several features that directly apply to artificial intelligence programming. Julia is a comparatively new language which is mainly suited for numerical analytics and computational science. It contains several features that can be very helpful in artificial intelligence programming. The last one is C++. C++ language has been present for so long around, but still being a top and popular programming language among developers. It provides better handling for artificial intelligence model while developing. Although C++ may not be the first choice of developers for artificial intelligence programming, various machine learning and deep learning libraries are written in the language of C++. Thank you to watch this video. Nice to meet you again with another topic. So take care. Bye bye.